which is what we're going to speak about tonight. The joint replacement team that is performing customized joint replacements to international standards. And the team has a wonderful experience. They've done more than 15,000 joint replacement surgeries. And I'm very proud of the fact that they are here to offer services to Cygnus group of hospitals. The group has expanded very rapidly in the last 2 years because we have this vision that we have to provide world-class facilities to all the people, better than standards being currently offered by corporate hospitals, but in a very patient-centric and doctor-centric way. We have to keep the patients and the doctors as the center of our vision rather than the corporate vision of finances and profitability and MIS and economics. That is why we are a group of doctors who started this, and we are expanding now very quickly. At this time, we are operating 10 hospitals, 4 of which are in Delhi and 6 in Haryana, having a total bed strength of more than 800 beds. Our vision is to provide world-class tertiary healthcare services to all the towns and districts and places of India where none currently exist. Dwarka was such a place. 2 years back, there were no tertiary facilities to speak of, and anybody who fell sick in the southwest part of the city of Delhi had to rush either to South Delhi or to Gurgaon to avail even the basic services. And there were a lot of mortalities on the way. Similar is the situation with the district headquarter towns of Haryana at this point of time. If you, God forbid, if you have a heart attack or a brain trauma or a road accident in any district town of Haryana, you will have to travel to either to Delhi or to Chandigarh. And we all know that if we miss the golden hour, the mortality risks rise exponentially. So we have pledged to provide these services, emergency ICUs, neurosurgeries, cardiac services, to all the district towns of Haryana by the end of next year. We already have presence in 5 district headquarters of Haryana, namely Panipat, Karnal, Sonipat, Kurukshetra and Bahadurgarh. And we plan to provide 13 more district headquarters centers providing super specialty healthcare including cardiac services and neurosurgeries by the end of next year. Because as we all know, Haryana has 21 districts, out of which only 3 have currently available super specialty healthcare. Those 3 are Faridabad, Gurgaon and Hisar. Rest all districts are bereft of these super specialty services. The vision of the group is to encourage doctors, to encourage the fact that we ourselves can provide these services instead of depending on corporates or financial groups to set up the infrastructure for us in which to provide services. If the doctors come together and form a group like we have done, we welcome all doctors who are of the current mindset, of the similar mindset, to come and join this group, because your support is the best way possible for us. That is the pillar of strength for us. This would not have been possible if your support was lacking. You have been pillars of strength for us for the last 2 years, and I am sure you will keep providing this similar support, this similar encouragement to the entire team in the future to come. We encourage and invite all of you who are of this mindset to come and join the group, and let's expand healthcare, provide it in the best possible way, the most ethical way, the most financially non-concentrated way to the people who need it. At world-class levels, NABH standards, we are providing NABH standard care in Dwarka already. We will be NABH accredited by the end of the next 3 months, I think. We've already got our first pre-inspection cleared with flying colors. The inspectors were very, very happy with us. So, to provide this level of healthcare, but in a doctor-centric, patient-centric point of view, that is our vision and that is our mission. And I am sure we'll have your support in this all along. I would request you to come and visit the center to see for yourself what we are doing there. And I would now request you to listen to this academic fees that we are providing. Thank you very much for sparing time. Thank you very much for coming.